guys are installing the shed today, but it's in the rain. So I'm going back out there to see what's going on.
AKA 1,000 hats. Time for the workout. Y'all try to follow me on this one. It's gonna get hot in here, man. Hot.
Yeah, I'm not too happy about them coming through on a rainy day. Purchased a metal building through Allen's factory outlet, and the manufacturer is Carolina Carports. But I feel like they could have checked the weather and came out on a day that was dry, just ready to set this up so we could have, optimal conditions for this project to get completed. But we'll see how it turns out.
How many years did I climb? How many foes did I find? How many years was I blind? Well, just forget it, I spit it, and we gon' get it for sure. How many years did I climb?
Got a lot of land here. Thank God. We're gonna go in. Look how huge this thing is. This thing is bigger than I expected. Hallelujah. Okay, so we're gonna go inside. I'm gonna go inside and watch what I'm doing so I don't bust my tail. All right. Boom. Oh, Lord, I still almost fell. All right, here we go. Woo. It's a blessing, whatever it is. Then you have that. Just give you an idea. I'm winded because I'm gonna walk through the grass with these boots on. They're heavy, dog. I just don't want to get any nails in my foot. Better safe than sorry.